Yep.
In the meantime, the serve from way back there.
Good set.
Lang isip with her first strike. No dividends yet. And Gel is there. Here's Santos denied, and I'm sure she's going to be marked here today. Belen keeps it in play. Belen pipe attack. We are in our first long rally of the afternoon, and we are still rallying here.
Oh, wow. Great digs.
Kumain kaya muna ako. Tagal pa ito.
Break muna tayo, Sir
Tara.
Sob.
Uh-oh. Nahuli. Mukhang hindi tinamaan ng maayos, pero sabi ni Tin, pwede na.
But you mentioned earlier, Sir Seb, ever 21 points right away. So let's see how will she show up today.
Doria Aquino with the serve. We have a joust at the net. Trubetchavska is not exactly that tall compared to the other imports, but just going to be 25 years old.
Very young.
Oh, cannonball!
So one of the silent operators in terms of the reinforced player.
Looks like Erica in her move to signal found a home.
Yep. Very comfortable with them.
Yeah, sometimes it's a confluence of factors.
Yes.
Belen dinks it over, but we are still active and playing. The push to the long end, it doesn't materialize. Sasha burns them with a big hit from the pipe.
Quick side out there for the Solar Spikers.
Here in the first set, we are at 6-4. Oh, she can jump. Oh, that's an ace.
Yep. Strong and a lot of speed on that serve of
8-6. Alam mo, pag nasa abroad ka, lahat, di ba, pag Thailand, di sumakay ng tok-tok, di ba? Tamantala, balik sa volleyball. Hello! Malakas nga papalo.
That really shows how strong she is.
Ano kaya yung mga kasama natin sa opening kanina? Yun na lang isuot nila every game day. Yun na lang isuot. Ang hirap ng pinaggagawa nila. Ha? Wow, look at Dawn. The tap. Hello, she read it so well.
Yep. Big hole on the court of the Solar Spikers. Trubetchavska recognized it right away. 4th point already.
Setter from the Bay Area. Iris Tolenada.
Oh.
Biggest
Yep.
From way back there, Erica Santos out of the De La Salle program, and this one is right into the heart of Signal. Iris adjusting. Sasha dumping it into the open space. It's covered. No chance. No chance.
Yep.
Good stretch that time by Cruz. She stands up to heave it over. We are still in play. Second longest rally. Sasha caught with her hand in the cookie jar. Bella knocking it in. Here comes Bella serve. Bullet. Talongisip, her version of a bullet. And we arrive at the second technical timeout with Signal still ahead, 16-15. Alam mo, players weave into a tournament. Eh. Minsan may umiinit, pero mainit kagad. Diyos ko, ang joust sa net. Palakasan talaga eh, no? Cargado and Sasha hitting that far away. We're tied at 16. No doubt. Chel Austero is all set to serve. So we check out kneeling down, and that will work. Sasha, her burn.
Yep.
Excellent shot, and Cayuna unable to handle the heat. Pero pag natabla nila to, masaya. Ay.
Wow.
Muntik na yun, ha? Hindi lang nakita yung regalo. Pinalo ni Sasha. Huli! Inabot ni Belen. Free ball coming up. Chance to attack. Here comes the setup. Oh, look at that. Denied. And the first set belongs to Capital One.
No entry, says Sasha Bitsenko against